Hi, my name is Chris Peer, and I am the founder and CEO of G8P, and I thought I would use this video to tell you a little bit about us. So about 3 years ago, my vice president of client service, his name is John Daters, he walked into my office, and he was relatively new at my agency. And he came in and he said, Chris, I've been reviewing our documents, I've been reviewing our client case studies and all of our client data and reports. How are we delivering such great results for our clients? And he's like, is this real? And I said, well, of course, John, it is real. We wouldn't lie in our marketing. I said, but it's been probably a year since we compiled data and created case studies. I said, why don't you go spend a couple months and dive deeper into our client data and come back to me and tell me what you find. A couple months later, John walked back in my office and he said, Chris, he's like, I can't believe this. He goes, I dove into our results, and the goals and the ROI that our clients are getting are even better than our case studies we're sharing. He's like, I've worked at multiple agencies and nobody has delivered these kinds of results. He goes, what are we doing? And at that time, I looked at John and I just said, John, well, I know we have this process and I know we have this process, but I don't really know how we're doing it. I know we have a custom solution for every single client and everybody's different, but I couldn't tell you that we have the right process in place to clearly define that. And it was at that time that we realized that we were great cooks, but we didn't have good recipes. So since that day, we've built a framework called the G8 Pillars of ROI-Driven Marketing. And I guess to tell you a little bit about us and who we are as an organization, it's probably easier to tell you what we're not. So we are not marketing tactical implementation specialists. We don't do SEO or pay-per-click or content. And we're not a marketing agency. What we are is a small group of seasoned marketing professionals. And our clients like to think of us as coaches, where we help to implement the G8 Pillars framework to help our clients to attain an ROI from their marketing. So how we do that is we work with your in-house marketing team or your outsourced marketing team to ensure they're pulling the right levers across the G8 Pillars and the over 120 gold standards that we have across those pillars. So if you'd like more information on us or how we might be able to help you with your marketing, please reach out, contact us, and we will set you up with a free consultation. Thank you.